So I have a full commission order from July 8th of 2025, and what appears to be an injured worker who had an injury, and then he was released to light duty work, and he apparently accepted the light duty work. But the problem is, you can accept the light duty work, but you still have to, follow the rules of the job site. So this individual apparently went through 3 or 4 different light duty employment situations, and one of them he was, I guess, let go and he was placed at a humane society. And here's the thing: when you work for your normal employer, you get injured and you have light work restrictions, they might offer you light duty by placing you at at a humane society or a homeless shelter or some other kind of situation, because they have deals with these operations, and they'll supply workers to them. So you'll get your normal wages, or you may, but you're going to be working not at your job, but you're going to be working at this, like Volunteers of America type situation or something. So anyways, this guy was working, I guess, at the Humane Society at one point, and at the Humane Society, they booted him because he was just, I guess, taking extended breaks, giving out too much information to the customers. I'm not really sure what that means, and he was using his vape pen whilst he was working, and so they booted him. So then he was given a 4th light duty job offer at a homeless shelter called Cherry Street Mission, and apparently he kept on calling off work. I guess you had extended breaks. He was hard to find when he was on the job, and so he was terminated from the position of at this Cherry Street Mission. And so, I mean, that would have been the 4th light duty employment situation, and because of that, he no longer had light duty work, and because he'd been fired from his light duty positions, they weren't going to give him any money. So he still has work restrictions, and then you might submit like a request for temporary total disability, which this individual did. And then so what the full commission said was like, hey, this guy got booted from his light duty job offers, and for reasons unrelated to his work injury. And so because of that, he's not entitled to temporary total disability pursuant to 4123.56F. Problem is with this guy is he has some fairly significant work, conditions as claimed: left shoulder adhesive capsulitis and right shoulder arthrofibrosis. So if he had surgery for those conditions and he requested comp, he'd probably not get it because he was terminated for cause because he wasn't adhering to the work situations at this light duty jobs sites. So I don't know. Follow the rules, folks.